Ladies and gentlemen, this is how we want you to set your mind. Come on, be with us. If you knew you'd like to treat people as you treat yourself, listen to me. Stop oppressing people. Do it. Do it. Do it to the people. Others will do it for you. Come on. Others will come and do it to you. Listen to me carefully. No man is an island. No man is a Superman. No special thing you can do, others can fail. All of us, we have ability, potentials with the power. If you don't help, you don't need to harm. Let the things the way they are. Don't destroy them if you don't have ability to help. Don't harm my brother. Why you treat people like shit? Why you see them as they have no value? Come on, pay attention. Having power to someone doesn't mean you have ability to oppress him or her. Let me tell you what it means. It means that you have power, you have given ability, you have given opportunity to help people, to save the people, to protect the people, to lift them to higher. You are misusing your talent, your gift. The thing that you need to know is that you need to correct yourself. Remember this every day, every hour, every minute, every second. Every time we wake up in the morning, you need to think about this. Everything has a reason, season, mission, and a reason to your life. I was created to help you to set your mind, to make up your mind, to make you think twice before you do anything. Obey me, obey this, you'll be successful. Setting your mind.